Corsair HX1000i series fully modular power supplies feature 3 EPS 12-volt connectors and use the highest quality components to deliver 80+ platinum efficient power. In this video, we'll show you how to install an HX1000i series power supply in your PC and set it up with Corsair iQ, which enables custom fan curves, monitoring, and adjustable power settings. Installation is very simple. Like with any fully modular power supply, it's considered good practice to only plug in the cables that your system needs. For HX1000i series power supplies, make sure you plug in the USB-C to internal USB 2.0 cable, which will allow your PC to detect the power supply in Corsair iQ. Plug in the cables that you plan on using into your power supply, then place the power supply into the PSU chamber in your case. Secure the power supply in place using the screws provided. Route the cables as neatly as you can to their designated headers. For example, the EPS cable for the CPU, 24-pin cable for the motherboard, and the PCI Express power cables for your graphics card. If you have other accessories powered by SATA or Molex, you'll want to connect those at this step as well. Make sure to also connect the HX1000i's USB cable to a motherboard USB 2.0 header. And that's it for installation. Connect the power cord from your power supply to an available outlet, turn on the switch behind your power supply, and turn on the PC. Now let's jump into Corsair iQ for the software controls. To get started, click on the tile for your HX1000i series power supply. In the Cooling tab, you'll get real-time updates of the power delivery and temperature of your power supply. Click the plus button to create a new fan profile, and use the drop-down to assign that profile to your power supply fan. In the Alerts tab, you can set an emergency shutdown or other system behaviors that trigger when specified temperature thresholds have been hit. And finally, the Device Settings tab will allow you to switch between single-rail or multi-rail mode. For most users, we recommend that you leave your power supply set to multi-rail, which enables overcurrent protection for each 12-volt rail separately and provides the best protection for your components. The Corsair HX1000i series of fully modular power supplies deliver stable, high-wattage power with the flexibility to monitor and fine-tune performance to your system's needs. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.